The dying river. In a vibrant town along a river, the water was once crystal clear, teeming with fish and surrounded by lush greenery. However, industrial growth led to pollution, and the river became a shadow of its former self. Fish populations dwindled, and residents began to notice health issues related to the water quality. One day, a group of local children decided to investigate the problem. They organized a river cleanup, collecting trash and debris while learning about pollution and its effects on ecosystems. Inspired, they wrote letters to local leaders, demanding action to clean the river and hold industries accountable. The town responded positively, launching initiatives to reduce pollution, improve waste management, and restore the riverbanks. Over time, the river began to heal, bringing life back to the community. Moral: grassroots activism can effect change. A community united for a common cause can restore and protect their environment.